Hello guys again! Today I will share with you a natural Botox with safe natural ingredients that will give your skin a glow and shine, tighten loose skin, and remove dark spots. Isn't that great? And without injections. Okay dear, before we start, I would like to know from which country you are watching this video. So the first step is to take a medium-sized cucumber. We rinse it with water. We remove the excess, then grate the cucumber without removing its peel. Now, cut the grated cucumber into half. We press well until we extract all the juice. Cucumber juice deeply cleanses and tightens skin pores. Thus, it helps get rid of pimples under the skin and gives the skin a natural glow. Dear, we keep the remaining cucumber peels in the refrigerator. We will provide a very effective treatment to remove puffiness under the eyes and dark circles. So, to prepare the first cream, we take 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice. We need aloe vera gel. You can extract it directly from the plant. Add 2 tablespoons and mix well. Continue stirring for enough time until you get a thick, homogeneous consistency. After reaching this result, we can now add another component. Add a teaspoon of natural honey mix well. Natural honey is the best ingredient you can put on your skin. Excellent moisturizer that restores damaged skin tissue. Removes the toughest pigmentation and acne. Now we need vitamin E. You can use vitamin serum or medical capsules. A few drops are enough. Vitamin E is important for your skin because it restores the skin barrier. It maintains the smoothness of the skin and thus protects it from fine lines. Finally, keep the cream in a sterile glass container. Correct use of the cream is important to obtain good results. Therefore, it is important to follow the following steps. Apply the cream on clean, dry skin and massage gently. Use it around the eyes, neck, and face. Continue massaging your skin in circular motions counterclockwise. This step is very important because it enhances blood flow to the skin cells and helps in the absorption of the cream. Then leave it on your skin for as long as possible, then wipe your skin with a cotton ball soaked in lukewarm water and rinse it with cold water. Use the cream daily before bedtime. You can keep it in a cool place for a week. You can use it even if you are old, and it is suitable for all skin types. Now we prepare the second cream. In a saucepan, put a tablespoon of cornstarch. Add the remaining cucumber juice. Place the pot on the stove at a low temperature. Continue stirring until you get a thick, creamy consistency. Then remove the pot from the stove, and before it cools down, add a teaspoon of shea butter. Dear, if your skin is oily or a combination, you cannot do without shea butter. On the other hand, shea butter is excellent for dry skin because it deeply moisturizes the skin and thus prevents the appearance of lines under the eyes and mouth and flakes as well. So after the cream cools down, now add a teaspoon of flaxseed oil. We need lemon as a stimulating source for collagen production and skin lightening. Only a few drops are needed and should be avoided for sensitive skin. Finally, put the cream in a sterile container. This cream is used on relatively wet skin and spread it well on your skin. Spread it in circular motions until it enters your skin pores. Then leave it on your skin for 30 minutes and avoid applying it to the area around the eyes. Always clean with lukewarm water, then cold water. Use it twice a week and can be kept in a cool place for weeks. Guys, you may not see my recipes, so activate the bell and subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new. Now take a teaspoon of natural honey to prepare a treatment for puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. Mix it with the remaining cucumber peels and stir well. We need black seed oil or black cumin oil. Add 1 teaspoon and mix well. Then keep it in the refrigerator. It must be used cold for perfect results. Before bed, apply a compress of this mixture under the eye while it is very cold. Leave it for 20 minutes and do not rinse your skin with water. It is better to leave it until morning. Repeat the same step daily and the results are amazing. I promise you this recipe has been tried and tested. So, my dears, these were our recipes for today. I hope you like them. A simple but effective cough suppressant, you can try and see the difference. Now we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice evening.